And I want you to start to break it down into pieces. The pieces actually are $1 million pieces if you leverage them correctly.
One on the rifle, on left, gun on my block and I see that flip. LK, who that take rep? Bobby got started with selling a pop. That's a bra, I'm up and blitz. I bet if I hit him, he stumbling. Got the gun, he can swag with the flip. Like why you running, I ain't leaving cut. He got the feet with the beat.
Hey guys, Grimes and Stay here, just checking in. I wanted to talk to the people out there who think, I don't have enough money to get into real estate. I don't have the depth of knowledge. I'm just not sure where to get started. What I want you to do is, take a deep breath, step outside of that construct where you think that you need to know everything in the business. And I want you to start to break it down into pieces. The pieces actually are $1 million pieces if you leverage them correctly. And that's a major key. Right behind me, there's an exterior restoration project. This is a piece of the development business that you can learn and use to springboard into full development. You need about 5 guys. You need about $5,000, but there are business loans you can actually grab to start a construction company versus being a real estate investor. You can grab a loan to start this type of a business at a historically low interest rate. You grab 5-6 contractors, some scaffolding, some netting, get some insurance, some business insurance, and you can start this business as a multi-million-dollar business where you're going to learn, you're going to go out, you can do basic marketing, flyering, especially if you're in a flyer city like Philly, and you're going to learn how to run a business, manage contractors, manage the rehab process. You're going to meet a lot of other contractors who are working on the deal as well, who may be doing the interior restoration. And it's going to springboard your knowledge, your skill sets, and your finances to the next level where you can actually be a full-time developer. And that's just one piece of the business. There's framing, there's all different areas of a rehab project. So what I want you to do is sit down and think about what part of the business could you jump into inexpensively to springboard you to the next level. Don't get overwhelmed with the full process. You don't have to learn it today. Take your time and get started.
Really fast, if you're enjoying the content, make sure you like and subscribe to this channel and leave a comment in the comment section that says I subscribed. For everyone who leaves that comment, I'm going to send you instant access to my free real estate training that shows you how to acquire properties for pennies on the dollar all across the country. You don't want to miss out on that free offer.
One on the rifle, on left, gun on my block and I see that flip. LK, who that take rep? Bobby got started with selling a pop. That's a bra, I'm up and blitz. I bet if I hit him, he stumbling. Got the gun, he can swag with the flip. Like why you running, I ain't leaving cut. He got the feet with the beat.